Top 3 AI tools every smart student needs in 2025. Imagine this. You've got an assignment due tomorrow, zero motivation, and your brain's saying, "God karte hai yaar!" Now imagine if there was a tool, just one click, and boom, your first draft is ready. Sound like magic? Nope. It's AI. And if you're a student in 2025, you can't afford to study the old school way anymore. Today, I'm showing you the top 3 AI tools every smart student needs. Tools that can literally change your routine, your results, and maybe even your career. Oh, and tool number 2? I wish I had that during my exams. I'd be a topper by accident. Let's start with the king, ChatGPT. Not just for chatting, this tool is like your AI study partner. Stuck on a topic? Ask it to explain. Need a speech? Boom, it writes it. Confused about what to write in an essay? Done in 2 seconds. And here's a smart move. Type, "Act as my tutor. Explain genetics in simple Urdu." The result? Better than Google, faster than books, and way more chill than any tuition teacher. I know students in Lahore, Delhi, even in Gilgit, who've aced presentations using ChatGPT without copying a single thing from the internet. So if you're not using ChatGPT yet, you're not just behind, you're basically studying with a blindfold on. Next up, a tool that secretly saves you from embarrassment, Grammarly. You're writing your internship email, you feel confident, but dear sir, I hopes you will accept my application. Boom, rejection. Grammarly fixes your grammar, tone, spelling, all in real time. It's like a smart teacher checking your work before you submit it. Whether you're writing essays, applying for jobs, or just texting your crush without sounding dumb, Grammarly is your secret weapon. One student from Karachi messaged me last week. He used Grammarly to fix his internship application, got selected the same day. Coincidence? Nope. Just a smart move. And now, a personal favorite, Notion AI. If your study notes are messier than your laundry basket, you need this. Notion AI turns your chaos into clarity. Need a study timetable? Done. Need to summarize a 20-page PDF? Done. Want daily to-dos, assignment deadlines, project tracking all in one place? Easy. Notion isn't just a note-taking app, it's your academic assistant. A friend of mine in Hyderabad used Notion to organize her entire semester. She finished 2 weeks before finals and helped others too. Tool for toppers? Maybe. Tool for smart survivors? Definitely. Now you're probably wondering, "Ye tools to theek hai, but earning ka kya?" Can AI also help you make money while you study? Let me just say this. Your phone, your Wi-Fi, and AI, that combo can start earning for you. And that's exactly what I'm showing you in the next video on Wednesday. So here's the deal. You now know the top 3 AI tools that smart students are already using. If you like this video, subscribe to Smart Desai Vibes because this is just the start of your smart student journey. Hit the bell and catch the next video. Earn money on mobile with AI, Desi Style, uploading this Wednesday. Smart Rehna hai, connected Rehna hai. Allah Hafiz and stay tuned.